What's up, everybody? Coming back with a new video here. Would like to go over a new type of filament here that was sent to us from John at Atomic Filament. He sent us over a roll of PLA. I already opened it here. We're going to try and get that out of the way there. So, came with some gummies. Thanks, John. But then, he sent us over this. It is Too Good to Be Blue filament. It's going to be hard to get it out of the package here, so give me 1 second. Hey guys, alright, sorry. Made the ultimate mistake of trying to delete some old videos on my phone, and I actually deleted the second part of this video, which is awesome. So a lot has happened since we opened up the filament. We've done a little bit of printing here. We printed out some stuff that we actually have already sold. And then we've got this one that we were going to showcase in it, but we ran out of filament for a couple different reasons. One, we printed in two different formats. So this one we printed vertical, and this one we tried printing laying down, which stupid mistake because we don't want to paint it, so the lines don't match up. It doesn't look quite right. So we're reprinting this part right here vertical now, so it looks a little bit better. And then we ran into a couple of issues where we actually ran out of the first roll, and we tried to restart it, but it took like 3 days. Sorry, had a phone call coming in. Took like 3 days for the filament to get to us, so it sat on the printer, and you can see it shifted, probably from cooling down and then trying to heat back up again. So that sucked, so we had to toss it away. And the supports eat up quite a bit of filament, so we've been using a different color for the supports now. But we're almost there. It's pretty close. We're about 12 hours away from this color being done, or this print being done, and we're excited to showcase it, show you guys the final result. But this Too Good to Be Blue, I really like this color. It has got like a really cool color shift to it that just looks awesome. Really pleased. Nozzle, the flow and everything out of the nozzle has been fantastic. We haven't had any jams. And the great thing about this new Atomic Filament, or this filament by Atomic, I should say, with the Too Good to Be Blue AMS, it now functions in the AMS system. So you can see here is our third roll from them, finishing up our prints. Really like the logo that they incorporated into the spools. Looks awesome. But this filament works great in the AMS. Out of all three spools, we haven't had a single binding error. We haven't had it fail to pull back out or feed. Functions really well. No clogs in the nozzle. Overall, very pleased with this filament they sent us. Looks really good. So if you guys are looking for a new filament to try or something to function in the AMS, check out Atomic. I'll add a link to their site in my video here. But this Too Good to Be Blue is just, I really like that color. You can really see the color shift right there at the top of the filament spool. Hard to capture on camera, but it is really unique. I like it. They also sent us over one of the little sample packs here. We're going to try these in Prusa, since these won't function on the AMS because they don't have the spool. But we've got a couple pieces we need to print out of the red, so that'll work. And then we'll try and do a couple little things out of the yellow and green. But yeah, pretty neat. It's always great having more people in the filament world, because as printers, we are always looking for a new supplier, new things, newer, better, different colors. I don't know about you guys. I don't like to paint my stuff. I'm not the best at painting, so if I can find a color that matches the color I need, It's much easier for me to color it in the slicer and then print it than it is for me to try to paint it. So having additional carriers that have new shades, new colors, works out great. And this Too Good to Be Blue is going to look awesome in this completed helmet when it's done. And we will show you the final product in the video later this week. And also, one last thing here, guys. Reminder, we've got our first item giveaway where you guys have a chance to pick up one of these giant NES games, whichever one you want. Next week, we're going to be giving away this helmet. So this is the only one that we're going to be printing in this Too Good to Be Blue. And that is only for a member of the channel. So if you want a chance to get one of these, make sure that you're a member. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Right now, though, we only have a handful of members. So the odds of getting one of these things is pretty freaking high. Shipping and everything is on us, so you just reach out. We'll let you know if you've won it, and we'll get it shipped out to you. You guys can have it. All right, thanks, guys. Check you next week.